Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if personal hotspot not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your mobile data. Just first thing, just check if you turn on here, and also here you will see option personal hotspot, so just open it, and now you need to turn on here allow others to join. After you will see under it you will see Wi-Fi password, so just tap here. If you want to change it, just write new password. So this password will be required if someone wants to connect to you to your personal hotspot. And now you can see that you need to turn on Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth. So, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general, just find here software update, just tap on it. Now if you have available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general again, and in the general just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the general again, just scroll down, just find here reset, just open reset, and just reset network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.